rust proofing. You know? I don't know. This is just the ramblings of someone born without pigment. Okay? Why would you listen to this shit? All right. Let's do a little bit of advertising here, and then we're gonna talk some shit here, like I haven't been already. Let's get back into the podcast here. All right.